You don't want to be in a situation where you can't cover a $100 emergency. No, you want to be in a situation where you can cover a $100 emergency, a $1,000 emergency, or whatever. You want to make sure you have money to tap into. And I have 7 savings challenges that will help you. They are 52-week savings challenges, and they're working with small amounts of money. Now, if you need help saving money for an emergency fund, this video is just for you. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more money in 2026, and we'll be glad that we did. I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment, let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. And you will be happy when you have some money to tap into if an emergency comes. Yes, you will be. And that is so important, to have money when the emergency comes. We don't want to wait till the emergency comes to try to start running around and getting the money. Yeah. Now, I have 7 savings challenges in today's savings challenge number 3, which I do on Wednesdays. And what you need for this savings challenge is something like this, and this is considered cash stuffing. This is just a photo album that I grabbed out of Dollar Tree, and it has 50 pages. And you're going to also need this money. See that? $10 bills. Okay? And we're stuffing this photo album with $10 bills every Wednesday. Now, if you can't do it every week, do it every 2 weeks. If you can't do it every 2 weeks, do it when you can. Do what you can when you can and how you can. Don't put yourself in any bind. Now, one thing about doing savings challenges, you got to have income. You got to have money coming in. And if this is your situation here, do whatever you can to increase it. You want to have multiple streams of income because you never know what's going to happen. And if you have multiple streams of income, if you lose any income, you still have some money to tap into. Now, like I said, this has 50 pages, and once it's all stuffed, it's going to equal up to $500. And we know we need to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. And this $500 can go towards your $1,000 emergency fund. And yeah, you can start over and start saving some more. Yeah. And we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses in case something like this happens. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. Multiply that times 3 or 6, and that will let you know how much you need to save. And then if anything happens like this, and you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses saved, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance. You can still buy food. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Yeah. And then if you have something like this going on, you can have money to tap into to take care of these. Yeah. You don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. And you don't want to have to go out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these. Now, not having any money saved for emergency or 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, this is what'll happen. You'll start running up these, and you want to get out of debt and stay out of debt, because this here. It keeps us in a hole and keeps us from being financially free. And this too. And it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Yes, they are. And another thing that will help, if you could do whatever you can to pay off this and this. This can help you to save for emergency, plus your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, and it can help you to become financially free also. Being out of this will really help. Yeah. Now, something like this is okay because it is working using other people's money to become financially free and have passive income. Now, like I said, we're working with $10 bills. And if this is your situation, and this is your situation, yeah, it's a great savings challenge because, like I said, it is working with small amounts of money. Yes, it is. And another thing, live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Stay out of this. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Have good behavior with money, okay? And go to the grocery store and buy food and meal prep. And don't eat out a lot because that is expensive. Yes, it is. Okay? Go to the store and buy food so you can meal prep. And if you're a person that likes to drink this coffee, you can buy this coffee at the store or any other coffee and make your own. You'll have more coffee and spend less money. Okay, now let's take the time and read our daily affirmations that we have for today and every day, because death and life is in the power of our tongue. Call those things as be not as though they were. We have what we say, and write these down and say them every day, all day, as much as you can. I decree and I declare, Lord, sons of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I'm prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid in full. All my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am now financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare I'm a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. See it in your mind. See it in your mind. Visualize it. We want to believe this, receive this, expect it. And when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and add our money to our photo album. Now you can get one of these off of Amazon. And I've been seeing these 100 envelope savings challenges, little binders. You could get those off Amazon, Temu, TikTok, and all those kind of places. I just got this out of Dollar Tree. Okay? Okay. 10, 20. Yay! That's how much we have saved so far in the year of 2026. This is the first photo album savings challenge for 2026. Okay, let me go ahead and record. Today is Wednesday. And this is our photo album savings challenge, and we added $10, and the total amount is $20. Yay! Give yourself a hand. Yeah, so I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. I hope someone said to help you. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges. Let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.